All right, even though this works just fine, right? Let's look at rewriting this in a different way. And so I'm gonna copy that here. So notice that it's gonna render twice. So we have course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right? Only to show you that a different way of writing this is using the new ES6 syntax. Right? Let me show you the new ES6 syntax. Well, first of all, we don't need the index, so let me throw that away. All right. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this using the ES syntax. So the new ES syntax replaces this with the following. It says you only get courses. Here's course, like that. All right. So already it's a little bit more terse. You don't need to actually write function. The other thing here is that because we only have one argument for the function, we don't really need the parentheses. If you had two arguments, then yes, you need the parentheses. But because there's only one argument, just one is enough. Let's go back to see if we broke it. Okay, it's not broken. It still renders fine. Nothing in the console. Okay. The other thing is that because this return, I'm only really returning one thing. There's only one line here. There's only one line here. So this return is really could be implemented as an implicit return using this syntax, parentheses and parentheses here. Okay, so now this return is an implicit return as opposed to an explicit return. Make sense? Right. So this function just evaluates to whatever that line is. Okay, and so it's still okay. It's still going. It's not broken. And really, this parenthesis is also unnecessary. So I can just remove the parentheses, and I just can have just course row. Right. So there we go. Have it. So this is the equivalent of this much more verbose version in the old JavaScript syntax, but now we have the new ES6 syntax. Everybody good? All right. So we're going to start just sticking to the new ES6 syntax, and we're going to start abandoning the old JavaScript syntax. All right. Okay. Everybody still with me? All right. Awesome. Okay. Excellent. So we have the course list. We also want to be able to render modules. We want to be able to render things like that. So let's see how we can render this. Also, we want to render cards of courses. So let's see how we can do that.